Let us understand flat spots on the baby's head, common issue called positional phalangocephaly. Hello there, amazing parents. Today we are going to dive into something that is super important for the baby's development. Tummy time. You might or might not have heard about it. And why is it so crucial? And what you can do if your baby resists or doesn't seem to enjoy it. Let us understand and break it down. I will give you the tips to make sure that tummy time is stress-free for you and your baby. What is tummy time? Why is it so important? Tummy time is simply placing your baby on their stomach while they're awake and definitely supervised. Here's why. Why is it so important? It helps strengthen your baby's neck, shoulders, arms, and back muscles, which are crucial for rolling, crawling, and eventually walking. Plus, it helps prevent flat spots on the baby's head, common issue called positional phalangocephaly. And these all are required for the upcoming developmental milestones that they have ensured so that they reach them at the correct times. Myth that tummy time is necessary because the baby will naturally develop these muscles. A lot of people think that this was not a common practice that they have heard of, so it is not required. But the babies need to develop muscle strength on their own. It does not come without any help, and a training is definitely required to keep them on their tummy so that within the dedicated time, they might get enough opportunities to strengthen those muscles and develop the motor skills as quickly as possible. So how much tummy time does the baby require? This is also one of the most common questions that arises in every parent's mind that I talk to. Starting your tummy time as early as the first month in home from the hospital. A few minutes, maybe 4 to 5 minutes, a couple of times a day for your baby initially. They're increasing it to as much as a total of 60 minutes per day when they are around 3 to 4 months old. And don't worry, this does not mean you have to do this at a time. You can break this into short manageable sessions throughout the day, starting with 2 to 3 minutes at a time and building up from there. Use toys, smiles, and make faces to help them keep engaged. Baby hates this and usually tries to flip back, so it must not be for them. Most babies resist tummy time because it is a difficult work but only extremely essential for their development. If the baby fuzzes, tries to go places, make them place on their chest and make them crawl, and they will feel more comfortable and interactive. Or you can make it fun and easy. Here are some of the ways I have seen parents that come to my OPD make it easy for their child. First and foremost, they use toys or mirrors. Using colorful toys or mirrors always helps. 2. Tummy time on your chest. The baby might feel more secure and it is easy for them. So that can help in a long way to train them for this so that their core muscles develop for the milestones. Keeping it short, maybe a minute or 2, and gradually increasing it, making it fun for them so that they don't feel like it is a lot of work or a task they have to complete. When they understand this, it will be more enjoyable for them and will build a lot of strength in their muscles, back and shoulder for their development milestones to complete within the correct time. It is meant to be a challenge, but it should not be distressing to you or the child. As they grow stronger, they will see progress in real time. They will start with their head lift, wiggles, and then push, and they will all complete the milestones successfully. It is one of the most important activities that you can do to support the physical and the motor development of a child. Yes, it may take some practice, but trust the process. Baby's muscles, the coordination, and the development will definitely benefit from a few minutes a day. If you have found this to be useful, please do like and subscribe. If you want to know something else about this, do comment below. Thank you.